इंसिडेंटल सॉल्यूशन। अगर आप भी जानना चाहते हैं कि रूट कैनाल होता क्या है, रूट कैनाल करते कैसे हैं, तो आप बिल्कुल सही जगह आए हैं। जो लोग रूट कैनाल करवाना चाहते हैं, करना चाहते हैं, या जो स्टूडेंट्स रूट कैनाल सीखना चाहते हैं, ये वीडियो उन सभी के लिए है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम आइए देखते हैं कि रूट कैनाल में क्या होता है। So I am using endomotor of Sebron company, you can see this, and I am taking up maxillary first molar, and it is an anatomically similar tooth. File system EDTA, sodium hypochlorite, burr and mini endo block for taking canal length. जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी आरसीटी सीख रहे हैं उनको ये प्रॉब्लम रहती है कि सर आरसीटी के स्टेप्स कैसे याद करें, तो उनके लिए एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक है जिससे वो सारे स्टेप याद कर सकते हैं। एंड हेयर इज़ द ट्रिक, रोलेक्स इज़ ऑन। डू नॉट राइट दिस रोलेक्स इज़ ऑन इन एग्जाम्स, यू विल गेट अ बिग ज़ीरो। इट इज़ जस्ट अ ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर द स्टेप्स। वेयर आर स्टैंड फॉर रिडक्शन, O stand for SS opening, L stands for locating canals, EX stand for extirpation of pulp that includes cleaning and shaping of canals, I stands for final irrigation of canals and activation of irrigant solution, S stand for sterilization of canal, and finally you will do obturation. So first of all, I prefer to do reduction, occlusal reduction. I will tell you later why I am doing it is as a first step. You have to make it out of occlusion so that the healing will take place. Now in the second step I will be doing the SS opening part. The most important thing in SS opening is you should have a straight line access. Straight line access is the key. If you don't get any straight line access, then your file might get fractured in cavity, or you can say in canal. So I am removing all the pulp material. You can also remove it by air rotor or by using endodontic excavator. The upper part of preparation should be flaring. Now you can see I have opened the chamber and raised the pulp, and I am cleaning the pulp. So you will have a good view that you can see some of the canals. So once we are done with reduction and SS opening, we will be taking some EDTA on gloves, or you can insert it in chamber also, and I am using rotary file system of woodpecker. Now you can see I have set RPM to 300 and torque to 2. So you should remember which file has what RPM and work torque to be set. You don't have to remember it. It will come on every packing. So you can easily locate on the packing which file will go with what RPM and with what torque. And what is RPM? RPM is rotation per minute. Means when you will on your endomotor, your file will rotate. Okay. So in 1 minute, how much will it rotate? That is RPM. And torque. What is torque? Torque. When you put inside this file into your canal, it will exert some pressure against the wall of canal, and if the torque is too much high, it will exert too much pressure and it may break in the canal. And if the torque is too much less, it will not cut the dentine and your canal will not be prepared easily. So first of all, I am taking an orifice opener. I will apply some EDTA on it and I will prepare one canal for you in this demo. So you don't have to insert it too much. You just have to be in the coronal part so that the opening is enlarged enough to allow the other files to go inside easily. So you can see when the pressure is too much, the motor is getting reversed and helping me to easily remove the file from canal. You should not go too much deep inside with the orifice opener. So with this, the first filing is done. Now you have to irrigate it with sodium hypochlorite that will remove the pulp tissue. According to author, the sodium hypochlorite is able to dissolve all the pulp remnants within 15 to 20 minutes. So you should irrigate it. Now after using orifice opener in all the canals, you should take working length. So for taking working length, you can use any file, 8 number file, 10 number file. So you should insert it and take a radiograph. See, you have to always remember that from where you are taking the length. See, like this. If your length is here, you should have a fixed point that I am taking length from this point. Otherwise, if your working length keep moving, you will not be able to prepare the canal and you may go apically. Okay, so as you can see, I am taking length from this cusp. This is mesio-buccal cusp. So as I can show you, the length it is showing is around 23. So I will marking the length 23, but I have to prepare apical matrix 1 mm short of the working length, because apical foramen is not always present at the tip. So I will be taking next file and setting the length to 23 and insert it the full working length. Now you can see my file is going up to the working length. You should not go beyond this working length. Once it has been done, you should remove it and irrigate it again. Irrigation should not be too fast. It should be done very slowly to avoid sodium hypochlorite going apically. Now we'll be taking next file system. See, file system numbers you don't have to remember. It is just the basic things what we have studied. The color coding like white, yellow, red, blue, green, black. So again I am taking the length and inserting the next file also to the working length. Now you can see it is completely going inside. You should not be in canals for more than 3 to 4 seconds. I am doing this because I am showing you the working of file in canal, but you should not do it. You should not be in canal for more than 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, and frequently apply EDTA. because our wet canal will be cut very easily rather than dry canals. You can compare it to your burr. When you use your diamond burr with the water flow, it cuts the tooth more easily rather than when you are trying to cut the tooth in dry condition. So you can see I am up to the working length. Now before going to next file, you should recapitulate it. By recapitulation I mean you have to use the previous file once again at the marked working length to avoid the closure of canal by dentinal shavings. So see, I am doing recapitulation again. Then you will move on to next file. Don't forget to irrigate it. Irrigation is very important step because small pulpal tissues which cannot be removed by filing will be removed by sodium hypochlorite irrigation. Now next also we'll go to the working length. Don't go beyond the working length because we have to make an apical matrix or an artificial ledge. If you keep moving outside the ledge, the apical foramen will get widened, and when you put your GP point inside, it will go outside the apical foramen. So you should prepare an artificial ledge just 1 mm before the apical foramen, that is at the most constricted part of your canal. So I am done with the filing of this. Again you have to do recapitulation. So I am not doing this, I am just showing you the next file system. Now again I am applying some EDTA and inserting the file to the working length. Now you can see this file. If you can see this file, how it is cutting the dentine. Okay, so you should not go beyond this point. This is your apical matrix. It is 0.5 to 1 mm short of apical foramen, so you should not cross it with any file. Okay, and you should use brushing motion like this. You should clean the walls, and like this your pulp tissue will be removed with files, and proper irrigation will help you to achieve this. Now irrigate it again. Very slow irrigation is required. So once you prepare the canal with 0.06 number, and you can obturate it with F1 GP point, but as it is a palatal canal, it is much wider, so I recommend to go furthermore and enlarging it. So for which teeth you have to do up to what number, that you can decide. Just stick to the basics. Now you can see this is my marked working length and I am correctly positioning this file. I am just showing you. You should not be in the canal for this long, but just to demonstrate you that how the cutting is done inside, I am doing this. Okay, so now you can see the canal has been prepared, so it is very easy. You can use any file system, you can use any endo motor. The torque setting, RPM setting you will get on packing. This is very easy. Only thing you have to remember is recapitulation and irrigation. Irrigation and recapitulation are very important, very important, and just do not cross apical matrix. Now I am preparing only one canal today because video will be too long, so you can just see I have prepared one canal. See. So friends, just to demonstrate you the beauty of using Endomotor file system, I have prepared all the canals. Just to save the time, you can see the canals. This is just a demo to show you how cleanly the GP points are going inside. Your every part of your canal is cleaned. See. So friends, we are done with the demo of root canal treatment by using Endomotor. I hope you will also start doing root canals with Endomotor. Before that, I advise you just stick to the basics, the color coding, taking working length, preparing apical matrix, recapitulation, irrigation, so that will help you. So I hope you will use it, and if you have any doubt, you can comment it, and we will be continuing this series, and I will demonstrate you all the procedures that are physically possible to demonstrate like this. Thank you for watching my video.